Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to flip through some new items from Love Posh that are releasing today. I will have all the info down in my description on release time and when you can purchase this. Also my affiliate link. I do have a discount code, but I believe you can't use it on the box because it's already discounted. But there are some other items that you can use the discount code on. So if you plan on ordering the box and some other items, definitely use the code to at least get 10% off of the other stuff. And I'm going to flip through all the items that I received from Love Posh, show you what's going to be releasing today. And then in a separate video, I will have a plan with me featuring like the stickers and some washi, because there's some stickers, washi. We have some goodies here. So I'm just going to flip through everything in this video just to show you what is releasing today. So first things first, we have a cute little die cut sticker. These are freebies that you get in your package if you place an order. I think she usually has a variety of them. So I don't know the other designs, but here's one of them. It says Love Posh on the corner. And then you get a little thank you card. Yeah, a little thank you card right here. I always love the cards because they feel good. All right, and then we have a little stack of stuff here. So let's see what's in here. All nicely packaged. Let's see. Okay. We have two things. First thing are these Posh notes. How cute. They are lined. It's got a little flower design on the corner. And it's like a pinkish line. Cute, cute, cute. So that's the Posh notes. And then, ooh, I'm excited for this. So I think it's kind of a new item. Okay, I'll definitely use these. These are really cool. All right, so we have a little checklist and bullet points, a little card. And you could use these as washi cutters too. They're metal, which is nice. But it has like a little area where you can draw a little box and a line. And then you have this one, which you could do little bullet points. And then here, let's see what this card is. This one has boxes, so you could draw some boxes if you want to do some bullet journaling. And I like this because usually the ones that I've seen in the past have been plastic, so they're very flimsy, but since this is metal, it'll be very nice to use. So you have a few different size boxes. You have some, you can use these as bullet points and a little line. Those are really cool. Okay, so you have two new little cards that are functional that you can use in your planner. All right, very nice. And then let's go over the washi. Okay, so the washi is a neutral set, which that's the theme of this release, is just a neutral items. So you have all these beautiful neutral toned washi in this nice, I like this size. This is like one of my favorite washi sizes. It goes from dark, this is like a dark brown, and then you get various browns, some like blush colors, we have gray tones, more pink tones, really pretty. Okay, so those are the washi. Nice little set. I love using Love Posh washi. All right, so we're going into the book now. This one's called Neutral Edit, or the box. Comes in this little nice box set here, Neutral Edit. So you could totally like keep this on your bookcase, all nice and pretty in this little box set. And there are 4 books, I think. Yeah, 4 sticker books in this release. Okay, so we have neutral florals, neutral elements, seasonally neutral. Ooh, I like the sound of that one, and functionally neutral. So 4 different themed books in here. All right, so I am gonna flip through all 4 of these books now. Okay, so let me move this. Okay, I moved it up just a little bit. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, so these are all neutral headers. Pink and this pretty brown, and two different kinds of pinks. We have headers for the week, to do, get it done, task, priorities, and important. So you get 2 of those sheets. Okay, and then darker colors here with the pink and the brown. Ooh, these are pretty, the script writing. So it says February, so you have the months, days of the week, and then weekend. These are paper, so you get 2 of those. I love this font too. Again, months, days of the week, weekend, and goals. So this you could use to date a planner if you need to redate a planner, or if you have an undated planner. You get some nice circle numbers, little numbers you can use on the monthly, and then you have some nice square ones. Okay, some more colors. Lots of checklists, nice thin checklists, and then you have bullet points and all the colors. Boxes, so the smaller boxes here, and all the shades. Okay, a little bit bigger. All these colors are perfect colors to add into any kind of spread. I love pinks. Pink is kind of a neutral for me, so I love all the pinks in this book. Well, pink is a neutral. Yeah, pink is a neutral. At least, yeah, for all my spreads at least. And then we get these double boxes. Look how pretty this lace is. These like lace borders. These are clear stickers. You get some more. Oh, these are really nice. Some corner pieces. And then some quotes. Work for it more than you hope for it. Be the energy you want to attract. Live in the moment. Okay, so 1 page of quotes. Really pretty book. All right, so that is functionally neutral. I believe this was a 30 page. Oh, it's actually 35. 35 page sticker book. This book will pair very nicely with all of the other books. So I'm excited to see the decorative stickers in these. So we have seasonally neutral. I love a good seasonal sticker book. So excited to flip through this one. All right. Look how pretty these flowers are. Looks like a little picnic. Cute. With the oranges, the orange slices. That's really pretty. Orange and pink. Some hot air balloons. All the like spring decor. The butterflies, super cute. Okay, we're going into summer theme here. I love the colors of this one. And the leaves. Okay, another summer one. At the beach. Some sandcastles. Again, I love the leaves. The palm trees. All right, going into the fall. Cute. I like the sketch look of it. Okay, more leaves and pumpkins. I'm already ready for fall again. I'm so not ready for summer. Okay, then we're going into winter. Little stacks of books, puzzles. It's cute. Okay. And the winter scenes, little cabins, skiing. Really pretty. Okay, so that is seasonally neutral, and this one's a 30 page sticker book on this one. Okay, so let's go now into neutral elements. All right, so neutral elements. So we got some pretty flowers, a little bit of a washi kind of sticker here. all the flat lays of the clothing. Okay, kind of like the office work page. Flowers. I love the little butterflies. Those are cute. Another little washi sticker there. It's like the office working day kind of vibe here. I like the succulents too. Those are pretty. Okay, some perfume and flowers. Little scenes, all the cozy scenes. Okay, Valentine's Day. Some working out. Staying healthy. Okay, more florals. Oh, this is kind of like a birthday. Yeah. Celebrating kind of page. Okay, those are cute, the little bows. All right, so that one is a neutral element, really pretty. And then the last book we have is neutral florals. All right, so these are clear floral stickers here. Got some nice long ones. Some white ones. These are paper. More paper ones. These are pretty. It's like a maroonish color. Some little frames. And these are clear ones. Some corner and side pieces. These are paper. So you get a mix in this book. More paper stickers. And then these are clear. These are clear as well. Get a couple of corner pieces on this one. And then these are some paper ones. You've got some little boxes, like frame ones, that you can write inside of. Okay, so that is a neutral florals. All right, so those are all the books. We have the 4 sticker books that come in the box set. And then don't forget the washi. There's the little notes, these really cool cards. So yeah, really fun, nice stuff. Actually, I'm gonna try out these just in this video, in this book, just to see how this works. I think I want to grab a pen. I feel like you might need a thin pen to use this, like more of a finer point pen. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a box. Okay, that's pretty easy to use. I want to try using these. Okay, works pretty nicely. Let's see this one. This is a 0.5. I have a thinner one. I was thinking I needed to grab my 0.38, but the 0.5 works nicely, so that's good. Let's see about this little checklist. It's actually pretty easy to use, as long as you keep hold of it and then don't let it like move a little bit. I think this would be nice to use for like in a journal if you want to add some lines. Obviously in your planner you can use it too, but yeah, I like the idea of this. It's just trying to get it to not bleed on the end like that and just learning how to use it. But for the most part, I feel like the box one is pretty straightforward. Let me add a box here. That comes out pretty nice. I wonder if I use my mild liners. I'm gonna use a mild liner. Let me do it this way. Oh yeah, it's nice. Okay, really good. And again, I like that it's metal because it's not flimsy, it's pretty sturdy, and it draws out a nice little box for you. All right, so that is it for this video. Again, I'm gonna have a plan with me featuring one of the sticker themes from this book, and then obviously some neutral stickers, some washi. So I will have a plan with me later today. If you're interested in watching that, definitely check that out later. But for now, I just wanted to at least flip through all the things if you just wanted to see what was being released. And this released today. All my info is down in the description on using my link and my code, and then time of when this will be released will be all down in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.